Graduating is a big deal. You did it. Now comes the hard part. You need a job. But not just any job. You need a job you love. Self-assessment is key. It's like looking in a mirror. But this mirror shows your insides, your values, your passions, your skills. Think of it like building something awesome. First, you need a plan. Self-assessment is your blueprint. It helps you figure out what you want to build. Do you want to build websites? Do you want to analyze data? Self-assessment helps you decide. This isn't a one-time thing. It's like checking your map on a road trip. You need to do it regularly. Why? Because you change. Your interests might change. Your skills will definitely improve. And that's a good thing. Self-assessment helps you stay on track. It helps you adjust your path. It helps you reach your full potential. So, buckle up. Let's dive into the world of self-assessment. But first, if this sounds helpful, take a moment to like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who's still figuring out their career path. And if you've already taken a personality test or done a career self-inventory, I'd love to hear what you discovered. Drop your insight in the comments. Values are your guiding principles. They're the things that matter most to you, like honesty, creativity, or helping others. They're your must-haves in a job and in life. Think about what gets you fired up. Do you love solving puzzles? Maybe you value logic and problem solving. Do you enjoy helping your grandparents with their computer? You might value service and teaching. Your values impact your career choices. Let's say you value independence. A traditional 9-to-5 desk job might not be the best fit. Maybe you'd thrive as a freelancer or an entrepreneur. Knowing your values helps you find a career that aligns with them. This leads to greater job satisfaction. You'll be happier, you'll be more engaged, and you'll be more successful. So, take some time to reflect on your values, write them down, keep them close. They're your compass in the working world. Interests are your passions. They're the things you enjoy doing. They make you excited to learn and grow. Skills are your abilities. They're what you're good at. What do you love to learn about? Do you devour articles about artificial intelligence? Maybe technology is your jam. Do you spend hours creating websites for fun? You might have a knack for design and coding. Your interests and skills can point you towards potential careers. Love gaming? Maybe you'd excel as a game developer. Fascinated by cybersecurity? A career as a security analyst could be up your alley. Remember, skills can be developed. You're not born knowing everything. Identify your interests, then find ways to build your skills in those areas. Take online courses, attend workshops, practice. To navigate your self-assessment journey, there are tons of tools to help you. Think of them as your trusty toolkit. Let's explore a few. Flower exercise. This helps you uncover your core values. Imagine a flower. Each petal represents a value. Fill in the petals with your values. This visual representation can be eye-opening. Personal SWOT analysis. This helps you identify your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. It's like a personal business plan. It helps you leverage your strengths and address your weaknesses. MBTI, Myers-Briggs Type Indicator. This personality test categorizes your personality based on 4 preferences. It helps you understand how you perceive the world and make decisions. CliftonStrengths. This assessment identifies your top 5 talent themes. It helps you focus on your natural talents and develop them into strengths. These tools provide valuable insights, but remember, they're just tools. The real work happens when you reflect on the results. Think about how they resonate with you. Use them to guide your career exploration. Self-assessment can have a powerful transformation on your life. Let's meet Sarah, a recent computer information systems graduate. Sarah always loved technology but felt lost when choosing a career path. She used self-assessment tools like the MBTI and SWOT analysis. The MBTI revealed Sarah's preference for logic and problem-solving. Her SWOT analysis highlighted her strong analytical skills and attention to detail. Armed with this knowledge, Sarah realized she was a perfect fit for a career in data analysis. She landed a job as a junior data analyst at a tech company. Sarah is thriving in her role. She's using her strengths to make a real impact. Self-assessment helped Sarah gain clarity and direction. It can do the same for you. So chart your course with a personalized self-inventory report. Think of your self-assessment journey as gathering intel. You've used tools. You've reflected on your values, interests, and skills. Now it's time to compile your findings. This is where the personalized self-inventory report comes in. This report is your secret weapon. It's a summary of your self-discovery. Include your values, interests, skills, strengths, weaknesses, and any other relevant insights. Use this report to guide your career decisions. When researching jobs, refer back to your report. Does the job description align with your values? Does it require your skills? This report helps you make informed decisions about your future. Remember, self-assessment is a journey, not a destination. Keep exploring, keep learning, keep growing. Your career is a work in progress. Embrace the journey and unlock your full potential. If this video helped clarify your career planning process or gave you a new tool to explore, like the video, subscribe for more professional development strategies, and share this with a classmate who's still figuring things out. Know yourself, align your goals, and take action. Thanks for watching, and remember, careers that reflect who you are don't just feel better, they perform better.